Chill. Grab the margarine from the fridge. This is the movement. The cutest boy in the entire world. I'm out. Hi friends, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Peachy. I'm a full-time content creator and lover of everything amazing, which of course includes your cute face. And did somebody say more BTS TikTok edits? Yes, I think somebody did. It must have been the wind, but I heard it loud and clear, which is what we're going to be doing tonight. And I can't wait because I don't know about you, but as of tonight, by the time we wake up tomorrow, BTS will have announced their tour dates, I believe, and like where they're going to be going. Look, this is my first comeback, so I'm doing as best as I can. And I just feel like the lid is like about to explode. There's like a bottle that's so full of air and so full of excitement and so full of crazy vibes that the lid is like barely holding on and the bottle's about to burst. So I can barely function. I can barely get my mind straight. So obviously we got to watch TikTok edits because it's going to be the only thing that can ground us. So I hope you're ready. We're obviously going to be checking out the newest video by JMAVVE. Thank you so much for your amazing TikTok edits. I can't wait. I really like the thumbnail to this one, by the way. But before we get into the video, don't forget that if you guys ever want to catch these videos early access with live streams and bonus content, you can do that over on my Patreon. The link is in the description box down below. Thank you to everybody who's joined over there. All right, let's get into it. I'm ready to get my heart boop 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 rocked. Oh my God, I was not ready to get my heart boop 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 rocked. Is that Jin and his sexy little aloe hair? Ooh, I need to find an aloe. I don't even know what kind of store that is, but I need to find one. I love that this one started out with a Jin edit. It's always a good day to be a Jungkook bias. Oh my. The song choice is so peak. That felt like a Stranger Things edit or The Breakfast Club. I don't even know. I don't even know that song, but it was like so peak. It's so funny because the last time we watched TikTok edits from JMAVVE, literally Sierra Nicole over on Patreon commented being like, oh, more BTS TikTok edits with classic rock hits. And I already feel like low-key we're like going on that vibe. Low-key, I see where this is going and I like her. I feel that though, because as much as these men are like idols of, you know, the modern day, they would have been just as famous back in like the rock and roll era, the 80s, dog, with longer hair. Oh my God, longer hair, you know, leather jackets that don't, and they're not wearing shirts under it, which they pretty much do now, but they would have been rocking it. Those freaking cutie boy expressions. He's Akio is so freaking good. His little smiles, his little woo, so perfect. I love Kim Namjoon when he's in his soft boy era.
That's really shit. You don't want to see it. Hey, I can take a big bet. He's singing this again. Hey, better swing. You can put it on the swing. Free like a triple X, flick, put it on a chain. This pussy up the chain. This kitty insane. I can fuck him in the rain. I can fuck him in the.
I agree to that song 100%. Chill, not too much. How do you even pick one version of Min Yoongi to be obsessed with? This man, all of his sides are so glorious. I'm obsessed with them all. The long hair though, but then the short hair and the tight shirt, I'm ill. Did you guys see the photo cards? I think it's like Weverse membership photo cards. I don't know. Army Twitter was freaking out, rightfully so. The one of Yoongi is like, it's just flawless, my love. It's just flawless. What is that on my ceiling? I don't know, but whatever. Ignore that.
fuck him in the rain.
Bro, I don't even know how to say this. Taeyoung's birthday week got me so effed up. I have never been this close to adding someone to my bias list, dog. Which obviously I'm OT7, okay? But like his birthday week has just made me love Taeyoung to a next level. And I feel like this is like a canon event with all the members that I go through. But it's just the crush has turned into something more, and I don't know exactly what. I just know that he's encapsulating my love in my mind. He's encapsulating my mind, darling. I can't even speak anymore.
I can fuck him in the rain.
I can have him in the rain. Put a content warning on those, please. Ooh. If somebody walked in, they be thinking I'm watching XXX content. When that picture, by the way, dropped of him, where he's like in the fuzzy, what is it? Where is it? This. I was immediately like repost to my Instagram story. I saw that and I was in public and I was like, an audible moan came out of me, and I hate when those slip out in public because, look, you guys judge me enough. I don't need the whole society judging me. I'm kidding. Y'all don't judge me. Well, most of y'all don't. Come on, little boy, can you get it up? Come on, little boy, is he big enough? Yes, he's big enough. Yes, he's big enough.
I wanna go home with you. Take me out this love. I wanna go home with you.
I wanna go home with you. Turn the lights off. Grab the margarine from the fridge. And the rest is history. Jungkook is actually so beautiful, though. And this look of his with the long trench coat, oh my God, was everything to me, Diane. It was everything. He's so pretty with his huge eyes. Literally, oh, Joe. Oh, Joe. That man is a walking OJO emoji. I have hiccups. He gave me hiccups. I'm a zombie. Nah, that's another one that's gonna be wrapped around his finger. J-Hope, baby. Do you have to be so sexy? He's not even just sexy. He's classy. He's funny. He's kind. He's warm-hearted. Ooh, but the monster that he is on stage, which is why I've been rewatching Hope on the Stage Encore show. And just seeing him on that stage, like, let's burn, sticking that tongue out, looking at the crowd. It's so cool when he raps and like dances at the same time as he's rapping, while not like, sounding airy or out of breath. Like, he's just so impressive on every level. That's another man where the crush has escalated so much, and it's unfathomable. Another man has got me tongue twisted. Oh my God. I just know he's crazy. Do you know what he says? That is literally Tuxedo Mask. Nobody can tell me that is not Tuxedo Mask reincarnated as a human man. If you don't know who Tuxedo Mask is, it's the guy who is Sailor Moon's boyfriend. Oh, there's some crazy lore there. I don't want to spoil the show for you, even though it's like 25 years old. Just stop. You need to watch it, okay? Oh my God.
About writing poems, but I'm about throwing parties. Think you should come to my party and
this
put
is
your
it.
hands up. I think
This is the moment. This is the movement. This song and this edit is so cunty. It is so cuntalicious. It like embodies Jimin, especially his younger days where he's just like, I'm crazy. I'm the male Avril Lavigne. I'm the male South Korean Avril Lavigne. He was a skater boy. I love that edge. He is so freaking hot.
Keep my eyes on you.
Also, that part of Dionysus where Namjoon and Jin get real close like that. Took a mental screenshot, putting it in my pocket for my late night thoughts later on tonight.
You're all about writing poems, but I'm about throwing parties. Think you should come to my party and put your hands up. I think we're totally different, but opposites do attract. Maybe we're so meant to be, just you and me. Cause people say we're alike, they say we've got the same hair. One day we might make some music, the internet would go crazy, but you might still wanna see me falling over and failing. At least we're close.
The edits of him falling is so uncalled for. That is so problematic.
But you might still wanna see me falling over and failing.
my
At least
baby.
we're closer to being on the same
The jersey,
page.
I'm sick. The jersey, I'm sick looking at him in that jersey. Also, how does he still look sexy falling? Like, how does he still look cool falling? That's literally gonna be me at the BTS concert.
Failing. At least
Literally. Oh my God, I love sporty Jimin. When are we gonna get more sporty cakes Jimin? Sign me the frick up.
we're closer to being.
What is this? Why is this my first time seeing this glorious man in this sporty outfit with the backwards hat and the glasses? Let me tell you, do those have lenses in them? Is he wearing contacts behind the no lenses? This guy and his no lenses or contact lenses, he's just like that, okay? He's just cool like that.
On the same page.
Jimin always been fine. That's case closed. Got so cerrado. Case closed. We been know that man been hella fine since day one, and he's gonna be hella fine since 19,000 days. Okay, that man is gorgeous.
어떤 맞는 장소에
Speaking of gorgies, man, stop it. I've definitely been on a wildflower kick lately because some sad stuff is going on, you know, and I love Namjoon for making beautiful music and being a beautiful man and helping us get through tough times.
Being on the same page.
어떤 맞는 장소에 있는 잘못된 사람. 그게 뭔 소리예요? 그게 나지.
What a perfect album. Literally my favorite album. I don't care. My favorite album of Kim Namjoon's. Like, this album, insane. All the work he poured into it. Oh my gosh. Like, I want this album burned into my memory. I would literally get that tattooed on me. Like, you could just feel the pain that he was going through. And I love that he ended up turning that pain into like such a work of art. And every music video was sick. Every song was a no skip. It literally felt like reading his personal diary, but in music form. And it was just amazing. Oh my gosh. Right place, wrong person. 20 out of 10 album.
I'm not cute
Anymore. Oh my God. Sorry. I like that song a lot, actually. It's always the greatest.
I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. Hesitate no more. 강아지로 난 내 쓰는 다리가 좋아. 'Cause I'm not cute anymore.
The cutest boy in the entire world. That man rocks my mother effing socks off. How can you have such a cute, pinchable face, but then also look so intimidating and scary at the same time? It's just because I grew up like watching animes like Death Note, and like he reminds me so much of so many characters I was down bad for, like L, and you know, like all the like characters that were kind of like emo and just like, oh, I don't care, like, do you not? Will you care about me? And he's like, no, you disgust me. But in my brain, I'm like, I'm gonna make this man love me. I'm just down bad, okay?
'Cause I'm not cute anymore.
I love that song.
됐어. 넌 개새가 그렇게 좋냐? 응. 그럼 나는 싫어. 아니, 씨.
Oh my god, the little smile. That's probably the most clips I've ever seen in Warang. I need to watch all of Tay-Tay's parts in Warang, okay? He's so hot with the long hair. Stop. Turn it up, girl. Stop. Is that from Bon Voyage season 3? I'll never forget watching that season of Bon Voyage, and Jungkook woke up in Malta after they had camped, and he was just like showing Army like the scenery, and he's like, isn't it beautiful? And he was in the frame, and I was like, yeah, it's beautiful, Jungkook. The scenery is gorgeous. And I just kept thinking like, no, that part must have gone so viral. While I was watching it, I was like, that must have, he looks so good. The man just woke up and he looks that good. C'est impossible. It has to be impossible.
In my rest at Kennedy, she signed her name and pen.
Oh, Jungkook, BTS.
In the fancy curse, and turned her 10 papers in.
A forever love. A forever love. I'm gonna melt into a puddle when I see that man live. I'm literally going to disintegrate into thin air. It's not gonna be real. Like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to just be like, wow, Jungkook, I'm so glad that I was able to attend your concert. I'm a big fan. I'm gonna be like, oh, somebody get the gun. I need to go. Somebody, okay, don't get the gun. I don't know why I said that. Not for me, okay? Because I won't be able to take it. That's why I need a trusted adult there to sedate me, strap me up. I don't know. I'm scared, okay, Denise? I'm scared. Oh. His nipples are so hard. Oh, baby. That clip of J-Hope and Alyssa and the chemistry that those two shared on that stage will always get me going. Those two are so hot, and I love when hot people do hot people stuff with each other. It's everything to me. Oh my god, I have a fluff on my face and it's bugging the shit out of me. Oh yes! I want to take a ride. I want to take a ride on that disco thing. His nipples are rocking. Baby girl, what am I supposed to do with this? I'm supposed to take it and run, aren't I? Later. Oh my days. That man is so sexy. Again, shout out to 2025, J-Hope. Like, you kept me going all of 2025. I love you. I appreciate you. And I need you, boy. I was actually watching the Boy in Love music video. No, War of Hormone music video. And I rewatched that part where he's like walking with the girl and he opens the car door and he's like, get in. And then she's like, no. And he's like, he gets so pissed, but he looks so cute and so freaking adorable. And I rewatched that part a disgusting amount of times today, and I regret nothing.
What you want from me? I know what you think you see. I know what you're looking for, but I'm complete. I know what you need, but it won't be me.
Oh my God, this man's beauty is so unmatched. I say it a million times, but I love being a Jin girl. I love being a Jin girl. I love everything about that man because he can look like this and this and this and this, okay? And still be good at League of Legends, still be funny, still make dad jokes, just be ridiculous. And that's my type. Like, I don't want just a pretty face. I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone. I want this man and his beautiful soul. And hopefully he wants my beautiful whole. No. I took everything in me to not make that joke and it just came out. It's a joke, okay? Unless
When we're touching,
Jimin. before he's bouncing on the floor. Is he doing the take you down challenge? Oh my God, the way I want to be that floor. I want to be that floor so bad. I'm so jealous of that floor. Whenever I hear this song, baby, bust down, Tatiana, bust down. My brain is so brain rot. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. He looks so hot with that trench coat. Oh my God, Mechanic Namjoon. I love his dimple. What is it called when he does this too? He does his smile eyes and they make me melt like a fondue tower. Put some strawberries under it. Then Namjoon pull up to my crib and you can eat them off my butt cheeks. Oh my gosh, I don't think he'd want my butt cheeks. They're in progress. They're work in progress, okay? Nah, he would. He seems like the type to appreciate all bodies, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, he'd like my butt cheeks. I'm out. I scared my dog. Oh my God. I'm literally out, Denise. I'm literally out. This is all I need. I don't need fancy cars. I don't need a fancy house. I don't need you to be dressed up to the nines every day. I need you in a black t-shirt, some glasses, and a cat. I need to know you're an animal lover. And the long hair so I can rub my hands through it, so I can run my fingers through Min Yoongi's thick hair. Yeah, I'll take that too. Of course I will. So bad. So bad. Wait, that song is so bad, so bad. It's the one with the vocal line. Oh my days. Why can't I remember? I even watched this video the other day. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. I'm so glad I finally saw this, by the way. It was an ad. This was from a commercial. How dare he pull up like the sexiest mechanic slash like, I don't know, like custodial worker in an ad. It was so short. I wanted this to be a whole music video. I was so excited. And the ad was gorgeous, but like I needed that to be 10 minutes long. Minimum. That side profile is so stunning. Oh my God. His facial expressions have gotten better over the years, which is crazy because he's always been so good with them. But like he's learned how to like soften them up and he just looks so lover boy coded. Like the man that would just be obsessed with the person that he's in love with, buy them flowers, like just be like, huh. Like he would be the one writing love notes 24/7. You know that one, it's like a sound bit. I don't know what movie it's from, but it's like, to the one I love the most. And the girl's like, please don't say it. Please don't say it. And he's like, Darla. Yeah, Taeyoung's the little boy saying, Darla.
네, 그래서 립밤 써야겠다.
Oh my God, yeah.
와.
Girl, the way I almost just grabbed my shirt and flopped my tatas right onto my desk. Just kidding. They're not big enough to do that. But, oh my God, you cannot be serious. JK, I promise you that I'm going to get barricade seats to your show, to BTS show. And I'm going to be right up front so that when you're performing, you will be staring right at me. I'm going to make sure I hire my man to flash my flashlight all over me so you have nowhere to look except for me. And then I told my Twitch chat this tonight. He's going to make a paper airplane out of the NDA and fling it right to me. Y'all just wait. Y'all just wait. You're like, oh, you're Delulu. Just wait, okay?
Wow.
I need air. I need a doctor. He is so freaking hot. My favorite part in Airplane Part 2, That's my main character right there. That's my main character. There's that thing where it's like, you might be the side character in someone else's story, but at least you're the main character in yours. J-Hope is the main character in all of our stories. I'm sorry, but he is. That's just fact. This microphone better watch out. Because when I'm watching Kim Sok-jin and this microphone is in front of me, it just better watch out. Because I'm about to go, no. I'm just playing. It's a joke. Because I think there's dust, so I'm trying to vacuum it up. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, the way I would vacuum this stage up. The way I would vacuum that man up. The way that I've never been into country, man, like that aesthetic does not appeal to me. And on Jin, it's my favorite thing ever. That rodeo hat does something to me. I'm sorry if there's another name for it. That sheriff's hat or whatever. Cowboy hat.
I've been so sweet. I'm ready to go, lead me into the light.
Stunning. Oh, I love the hair. He is so hot. I love the hair.
If you're a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get this. It's going down for real.
Now bust it open. We are open for business, JK. That's crazy. Oh my God. Don't tell me. Black Swan Taeyong. Never play with Black Swan Taeyong. Do you? Yeah. How do you do that? I've tried to master the way he does that in the music video. I've tried to master it. It's so difficult to like move your body and do the like hot, gentle facial expressions, that soft smile that he does. It drives me up the wall. In the middle of the night. I love that.
Bring the action.
When you have this in the club, you're gonna turn the shit up. You're gonna turn the shit up. You're gonna turn the shit up. When we up in the club, all eyes on us. All eyes on us. You see them girls in the club.
That, and it was a 50,000 out of a million gajillion thousand. I want to watch it again. That was so unexpected. I was like, wholesome BTS TikTok. How sweet. The drop and the fact that this is the year of BTS and the fact that you included every single member in that and it just went so crazy. Good job, Taekyo. You freaking devoured that. Oh my God, that was sick. I need to watch it again.
Bring the action.
When you have this in the club, you're gonna turn the shit up. You're gonna turn the shit up.
That club of Jin is so
You're gonna turn the
sexy.
shit up. When we up in the club, all eyes on us. All eyes on us. You see them girls in the club.
Goddamn, that edit is how I feel like this year is about to feel. Like that edit is gonna be me tomorrow morning looking at tour dates being like, please let there be a Toronto day. Oh my God, am I about to go to London to go and see BTS? Should I make this a whole journey? Should I travel to a different country to see BTS? Like, it's about to be crazy. I'm about to do crazy stuff this year. I feel it in my brain. I feel it in my bones. Like, it's different. This year is different. It's the year of adventure. Sexual adventures. We already mastered the margarine. Now we're moving up to the Vegemite. Stop, Jill.
It's a 1:15. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but I lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now.
Damn.
So yeah, tonight, the love should stand again.
Nah, that transition was so smooth. I love when editors do stuff like this. You never know where it's gonna go, and then you're just gagged, gobsmacked on the floor, trembling like a damn giraffe that just gave birth. No, I gotta see it all. I'm so sorry. I really like this. I need Dimple.
The group of 2026 BTS.
I think it's what the world has been waiting for.
Damn, that's so sad. The year of BTS is upon us, y'all. Lock in because we're about to see tour dates and Mama is not ready. JMAVVE, you outdid yourself on this compilation. It was so much fun. Definitely the pick me up that I needed tonight. So I really appreciate it. I love like feeling the tension building for this group's comeback. I think like, oh my gosh, we're so lucky to be living in this era right now. I think BTS is going to be one of those groups where when you tell your grandkids someday in the future, you're like, yeah, I saw BTS back in 2026 for their first comeback after the military. Your grandkids are going to be like, Grandma, what? Are you effing nuts right now? Show me pictures of Jungkook. Show me pictures of Kim Namjoon right now. You need to send those to me, woman. And it's just going to be like that type of vibe, you know, because they're going to be a group that hundreds and centuries are going to talk about. And I'm not even being dramatic. I genuinely believe that. I'm so excited to be an army. I'm glad I've had the time to learn and grow as an army. And I'm ready. I'm ready for this comeback. How are you feeling? I need to know, but I cannot wait. Good luck with everybody. I hope BTS goes to the city that you want them to. And if not, I hope you're able to travel. And if not, no worries. We're going to find ways always to watch these men. Trust me on that, okay? But I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. It helps your girl out so much, and I really appreciate it. And if you want bonus content, early access, and live streams, I'll see you over on Patreon. The link is in the description box down below. But until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.